Okay, question 17. The dilute hydrochloric acid is reacted with 1.2 grams of magnesium ribbon at room temperature in two experiments, experiment 1 and experiment 2. In this case, you can see that experiment 1, we use 100 cm3 of 1 mole per dm3 of hydrochloric acid, and experiment 2, we use 50 cm3 of 2 mole per dm3 of hydrochloric acid that is being used. Okay, what is the volume of the hydrogen that was being given off in this case? Okay, first of all, we have to understand that since in experiment 2, the concentration of hydrochloric acid is being used is greater. In this case, since the concentration is higher in experiment 2, it should cause a steeper gradient. Okay, however, what will be the height of my product that was being formed? This requires our calculation. So experiment 1, we can calculate out that it takes 1 times 100 over 1000. In this case, we will know that it is a 0.1 mole. However, for experiment 2, same thing, we will take a 2 times 50 over 1000. This should give you a 0.1 mole as well. As you can see, the amount of product that was being formed is the same. Okay, the height remains the same. This is about the height. So option A and C is out. Again, because the concentration in experiment 2 is much greater, this should have a steeper gradient, and in this case, D should be the answer, because this shows, for option D, it shows you that the experiment 2 has a steeper gradient as compared to experiment 1. Okay, you can see experiment 1 is less gentle. In this case, option D is the correct answer.